Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today a very special episode. So I'm going to show you as how to make a spaghetti night dress. I hope you're able to see it. So this is the night dress that I made. I bought the material and it is I think I bought the material for 200, and I wanted something like this, so that it is so easy for me to wear and it is so nice. I didn't want the broad spaghetti sleeves, so I wanted really the spaghetti sleeves. So let's get to the video and see is how to make the night dress. Yeah.
Fold the material in 4 lengthwise to mark the design. Take 8.5 inch and mark it, 4 inch as the spaghetti length, and then 8.5. Mark it and draw a straight line. Now let's mark the neck. I'm taking 2 inch. You can take 2 and 2.5 also. So 2 inch I'm marking there. I'm marking the shoulder. Shoulder I'm taking as 5.5. I'm taking 5.5 and I'm marking it there. Now I'll mark the chest. Chest I'm taking as 12 inches and I'm marking the chest as 12. Now let's connect the dots. Now I'm giving a shape and neck as well as giving a shape. So if you see, it's pointed towards to the end. Now from the shoulder, my full length is 45, so I'm going to take the full length as 45. I'm going to mark 45 there. Now let's cut. Now let's cut the neck as well as, like I mentioned, I bought it for 200 rupees. And now from my chest to the end, I'm just going to give it a straight cut. I made a mistake, so I did not stitch with the folds, so I had to attach it. When you guys are cutting it, ensure that you are cutting at the fold. Now I've taken I've cut a strip of 2 inches and I'm going to measure it all around the dress. I'm going to stitch it as a piping. Now I'll finish the neck first. I'll finish the neck piping first. I'll have to do it on the both the pieces, the front and the back. I finished the front, now I'm doing it for the back. Now the neck stitching is done. Now I'll have to measure the spaghetti for in between these two. So I'm going to place it right opposite to each other, and I'm going to measure the spaghetti strap that I have to cut, and the spaghetti strap will cover the armholes also. So I'll have to measure it from the armhole till the other armhole. Now if you see, I've stitched it from armhole till the armhole, and in between the spaghetti strap is 4 inches, so I have stitched it that way. Now if you see, I've stitched the spaghetti sleeves from the armhole, and I've given a different design. If you can see it, I've not given it a straight line, straight stitch I mean to say. So now I'll attach the body, the side. You'll have to attach the side right now. Now you'll have to attach both the sides. I've attached both the sides right now, and I've also finished the bottom. I folded the bottom and I've finished it too. I've given a small slit at the end to the side, about 3 inches slit before finishing the bottom. So guys, this is the end product. This is my 4XL spaghetti night dress that I stitched, which has come out pretty well and very nice. So I hope you like the video and it is easy for you to make. So please leave your comment as if you have tried it out and if you like the video that I made. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for further notification. Stay beautiful guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.